Thunderstorm Watch number 144 remains in effect until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties in Illinois: Fort and Iroquois, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, and Newton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm